everybody, and welcome back to Tenza Motorsports. Did you know that MAXPEEDINGROD isn't just a performance parts provider? They do basic maintenance. You want to do some CV axles, you want to do some wheel bearings, they have parts for your car on their website. So before you go on any website and start ordering parts for your vehicle, check to see if MAXPEEDINGROD has it first. Before we get into today's video, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Like if you enjoy this type of content. Also make sure to check us out on Instagram, Tenza_Motorsports. We have some components here for our BMW E70 X5. Now that car right now is currently undergoing some pretty major surgery. Unfortunately, we had some issues with an engine that we just recently picked up. That is coming in a different video, but today is some good news. We have some parts from MAXPEEDINGROD. MAXPEEDINGROD, like I said, does have a lot of just like OEM replacement parts. So I don't really know what's in these two boxes. I know that I ordered a bunch of stuff, but CV axles are going to be here, wheel bearings, and then some other things. I think one of them's an oil pan or something like that. So we'll get them all unboxed and take a quick look at them. One thing I do want to talk about real quick is some of the reputation of some of these companies. People think that because they're inexpensive or that they're coming from China, that they don't have any quality to them, no warranty, things like that. MAXPEEDINGROD does stand behind their products, and they'll make sure that the items that you have purchased are good quality and take care of you if you have any issues. Now, this leads me into another issue that we've been fighting. When I am at work and I order parts from O'Reilly's or AutoZone, we are getting parts that are essentially these, but I'm paying way more for them. So if you're gonna go with this quality of part, make sure you go straight to the source and don't pay a bunch of middlemen. And as always, everything you see here will be linked down in the description below, and we have a discount code here. If you use this on your next MAXPEEDINGROD order, you do get a discount. Let's go get our initial impression. We'll unbox all this stuff, and then I'll talk about the time frame to installing some of these parts. The reason that we're not installing them today is because the vehicle just isn't quite ready yet. I want to make sure I get the engine ready to go, and doing the engine basically means that the subframe is going to come out, so all these pieces here, most of them will end up coming out of the vehicle anyways. I will be able to do, I think, the wheel bearings, but like the CVs, those have got to come out when we do the engine because this system runs through the oil pan, and so I would basically put these in and then have to take them back out. So we're not going to be doing that today. Plus, I do want to see them side by side. When we go to do that video, I'd like to see them side by side to see some OEM ones versus some MAXPEEDINGROD parts. And again, just kind of give our initial take of what everything looks like and the quality. And then very soon there'll be videos out putting all of these parts on the vehicle. One upside to this vehicle is that the wheel bearings are bolt-in. You don't have to press them out. They don't look any different than what I'd expect to see from just a local auto parts store, which is probably where they're getting all their stuff from anyways. All of the splines in here feel really good, machined very properly. Have the rotor screw there. None of the threads look like they're gold or messed up. And obviously no shipping damage on something like this. It'd be very difficult to beat something like this up, even though, as you can see, somebody clearly tried to beat them up in shipping. But yeah, I mean, not much more simple, straightforward can you get. Those look absolutely fantastic. I'll pop this other one open just to make sure that they didn't succeed in breaking it. I don't know how you do that, but let's check it anyways. Well, it looks like it was supposed to come with some hardware, and I would assume that the hardware fell out of this one. Not a huge deal. A lot of this hardware isn't really damaged or bad after being used, so I could probably just reuse the original hardware. Well, now that we've got hardware here, let's just see how everything fits together. Real nice feeling. They don't look like there's any issues to them other than some missing hardware, but it's obviously not MAXPEEDINGROD's fault. Whoever was shipping these really beat them up. So let's move on to the next box, see what else we got. Looks like we have the transmission pan. Comes with the gasket. Gasket looks really good, nice and supple, fits really well to the pan itself. But I mean, this looks every bit as nice as, again, the ones you'd get locally. Looks like everything's there. There's a filter. It's got a O-ring on the filter. There's your drain plug. Drain plug is a Allen key as normal. Here is the hardware for it. Can't complain. This is a fraction of the cost of going to somebody local. So moving on. All right, how about this kit for $200? I mean, this is everything. This is the entire front end of the vehicle. You got control arms. I refer to these normally as thrust arms, but I don't know if they're both called thrust arms. Either way, you've got the complete right and left set. You have your inner and outer tie rods here, and your sway bar end links. And on top of everything, look at what this has on it, a grease zerk. I know a lot of manufacturers, a grease zerk is a nicer feature to have, and this has it. Spin that on the end there, and you can actually grease these to keep them from going dry and bad. Yeah, pretty crazy kit here. Everything looks good. It's got nylon nuts everywhere. This is shipped and packaged basically the exact same way, again, as stuff you'd see at your local auto parts store. I mean, this is so, let me see here. That's so stiff that it was hard to move by hand. Looks like the boots look to be good quality. Looks like everything is seated properly on at least a couple of the boots that I can see anyways. I'll go around here and look at some of the other ones. Nice clip here at the bottom, holding that really tight. This kit right here costs less than taking your X5 to the dealership and getting just a checkup. Just give me a list of everything it needs. It'll cost almost as much as this kit does. It'll make the car feel brand new after putting all this stuff on there. And then I don't have to worry about it. I don't have to worry about the wheel bearings. I don't have to worry about any of this. I know that everything's brand new and good quality parts. Good news, that one axle nut that I was missing off of the wheel bearings is on this. So there you go. I don't even have to worry about it anymore. In fact, we're going to grab one of the wheel bearings and see how well it fits through these CVs. Nice single-use clamps here. Rubber feels really good. Doesn't feel any different or throw any red flags. Grab one of the wheel bearings and see how it fits. Oh, like a glove. I mean, how much smoother do you want it to be than that? Spin this back on. You're not gonna get any better fit than that. It looks absolutely fantastic. We'll unbox the other one real quick here, which is the longer side. Woof, that piece is pretty heavy, but heavy duty. Again, another new axle nut, and let's see how well the wheel bearing fits on this side. Just like it's supposed to. No complaints here. Absolutely fantastic. I am so excited to get this stuff on the car. In fact, I'm kind of a little bit bummed that we're not ready to put some of this stuff on yet, because I'm ready, but we got to get that engine ready to go, and unfortunately we've had some setbacks with that, so stay tuned to hear some more updates on what's going on there. But for right now, this did give me a little bit of a morale boost. Really looking forward to putting this car back together and looking forward to doing all of these components here. So thanks everybody so much for watching, and again, if you didn't know, you do now. Max Speeding Rods does have everyday maintenance parts. Before you buy anything for your vehicle, check for their parts list, see if they've got it in there, and then use this code right here to get a discount on your order. It's very, very rare to find parts cheaper than Max Speeding Rods has them, and you pair that alongside the discount code, it makes it even harder to compete with Max Speeding Rods. Absolutely fantastic stuff. Comments or questions down in the comment section below, and we'll see everybody in the next video.
Bam!